Assalamualaikum, and my name is Irham, and I will be presenting the introduction of our report. This report focuses on the insight and experience of a teacher regarding the implementation of classroom-based assessment (CBA) and school-based assessment (SBA) in Malaysian secondary schools. Both systems aim to promote a holistic and continuous approach to student assessment. Our interview was conducted with Cikgu Muhammad Afif Afnan bin Abdul Razak, physical education and sports science teacher with 1 year of experience, who has been directly involved in both CBA and SBA. Through this study, we hope to understand how these assessments are applied and their impact on student learning. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wana Hidayah binti Muhammad. I will be presenting about the background of interview. Our interviewee is Mr. Muhammad Afif Afnan, a physical education and sports science teacher from SMK Sultan Tajuk Arifin, Manong. He has a lot of experience implementing both school-based assessment, which is SBA, and classroom-based assessment, which is CBA, throughout his teaching career. According to Mr. Afif, CBA gives teachers more flexibility to assess students in a holistic way, focusing not only on result but also on their learning process. He also mentioned that CBA emphasizes continuous and scale-based activities compared to SBA, which is more structured and outcome-oriented. Next, difference between CBA and SBA. According to interviewee, the main difference between CBA and SBA lies in their flexibility. SBA is more structured and follow the format set by Ministry of Education, focusing mainly on written work and project. Meanwhile, CBA is more flexible. Teachers can adjust assessment based on students' need and classroom situation. It also emphasizes learning through observation and hand-on activities, which is help teachers assess students in real progress.
Hello, my name is Nur Hayati binti Aman. Today, I want presentation 4.0 implementation of CBA in the classroom. Among the effective implementation of CBA in the classroom is the need for an assessment and teaching process. Encik Alif believes that assessment should not be separated from teaching but part of the learning process. Among the various tools used are structured observation and project-based assignment to collect evidence of student performance in different areas. Furthermore, holistic assessment encompasses cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains to ensure that students are assessed not only on knowledge but also on skill and attitude. In addition, immediate feedback to encourage reflection and continuous improvement as feedback is given immediately to help students understand progress and areas for improvement. Therefore, CBA functions as a dynamic and formative process that enhances teaching and learning. Hello, my name is Nur Hayati binti Aman. I will present the topic 5.0 Implication for Student. CBA has a positive impact on student learning outcome. Students are more motivated and engaged because assessments are conducted in a fun and non-threatening environment. CBA also encourage deep conceptual understanding rather than rote memorization. In addition, it fosters 21st century skill. Group activities develop communication, collaboration, and critical thinking abilities. This, with holistic development, can make an approach in preparing students for real world challenge through active and reflective learning.
Hi, my name is Nurailin Farisa binti Muhammad Nawijay. Now, I will be sharing about the challenges and recommendation in implementing classroom-based assessment or CBA. According to Mr. Afif, several challenges were identified. First, teachers face a heavy workload due to continuous record keeping and limited instructional time. Second, there is still a lack of understanding among parents regarding the purpose and value of formative assessment. Lastly, insufficient school resource can hinder the execution of authentic learning activities. To overcome this issue, several recommendations were suggested. First, reduce administrative tasks for teachers. Second, provide continuous professional development or CPD focusing on authentic assessment design. Third, develop a user-friendly digital system for data recording. And finally, increase parental awareness about the importance of CBA in supporting holistic student growth. In conclusion, the interview findings indicate the CBA is a progressive and meaningful approach to student assessment in secondary schools. Although there are still challenges, CBA holds great potential to strengthen teaching practice and improve assessment quality in Malaysian education. However, its success relies heavily on several key factors: teachers' understanding, strong administrative support, and collaboration among all stakeholders, especially parents. By working together, schools can foster a holistic and student-centered learning environment, which is essential for long-term educational success. That's all from me. Thank you.